Honestly, it's free. We're not busking. We're not beggars.
This show is absolutely free, and you get what you pay for.
Glove of Death, are you ready, Ian?
I'm ready to hear this, Egypt, man! The Glove of Death! See the fear? And that's just because he thought I was going to make him do some washing up! There we go. Now, why you're wondering is this ordinary lady's washing up glove? The Glove of Death. Here we go, we should demonstrate. I'm just scared, can you just hold that for a second?
Just hold tight, don't let go. We're just proving to you.
Ow!
At this point, ladies and gentlemen, and especially children, we have to, by law, to make this announcement. Please, please, children, whatever you do not try this at home.
Do it at school!
Or possibly a friend's house. Okay? Here we go. Glove of Death. Is Ian Maniac is breathing in through the oral orifice, mouth, and out through the nasal orifice. This dark shadow here is a reservoir of mucus. Yes, I'm sorry. So when this glove explodes, as it's going to, you cannot run away quick enough. It's going at approximately 300 miles an hour. Some of Ian's snot will be in Leeds in 10 minutes' time. Here we go. Wait, I'm bored of this, hold on. Here we go. Everyone, count down from 5 to 1. Okay? Wait. If you're from Leeds, join in at 3. Here we go. Ready?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Thank you. I have never been hurt doing that trick.
We are going to now do a slow motion race. Let's have a big woo. Okay, Chris, follow us. Don't do it with the funny face. Go him. Watch us, mate. Watch us. Up this way as well. Okay, Chris, we have 10 more seconds. This time, really go for it, but not in a stupid way, okay? We're not walking on the moon, we're doing a slow motion race. Okay, here we go. Get down. Now stay still, young man. Stay still. Put your hands like this. Okay, stay still. Here. Stay there, please, madam. Just hold on to this, brother. Okay. Let go. We stay there. Here we go. Yeah, you got it.